What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a Bybit account. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. When you go over to the Bybit website or you open your mobile device, you're going to have to choose the sign up option. On the website version, you can see the sign up button right here. We've clicked on it and you can see create account. In order to create an account, you will need to put in an email and a password. Alternatively, you could sign up using your Google, Apple, or Telegram accounts. This can make your sign-up process easier. However, if you'd like to have your Bybit separate from any of these accounts, you can go ahead and put in your email and password. We've put in our email, and under the passwords, there is a criteria to make a standard password. We're going to do that in a moment. As you can see, we followed the standards of creating a password according to Bybit. Next, we're going to make sure this checkbox is ticked, which is an agreement of the terms and services and the privacy policy of Bybit. And now we're going to click on Create Account. On the next page, you will need to verify your email address. A verification code will be sent to the email address which you used, and you'll need to wait for it to come. Usually this takes a few moments, and then you have it. And after putting your code, it will automatically take you to the next page. And now we have our Bybit account opened. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.